What if I told you, right now, in 2026, the American dream isn't dead? It's just buried under the noise. Inflation still biting, jobs shifting faster than ever, millions scrolling, comparing, feeling stuck, giving up. But a quiet few, they're not waiting for permission. They're grinding at 3 a.m., learning the new tools, rewriting the rules. They're turning obstacles into fuel and quietly building empires. The question is, which side are you on? Stay with me. I'm about to show you exactly how everyday Americans are still making it happen in 2026. You've worked hard your whole life, saved every penny you could, took the overtime, skipped the vacations, told yourself just keep grinding, it'll pay off. But in 2026, it feels like the ladder is moving away from you. Inflation keeps eating your paycheck faster than you can earn it. AI and automation are replacing jobs you thought were safe forever. Rent, groceries, gas, all climbing while wages barely budge. You look around on social media, everyone else seems to be winning. Buying houses, traveling, living the life you were promised. And you're still here, feeling stuck, wondering if the American dream ever really applied to people like you. You've felt the burnout, the late nights worrying about bills, the fear that one wrong move could wipe it all out. But here's what most people miss. These challenges aren't the end. They're the signal, the wake-up call that the old rules don't work anymore. And the ones who win now, they're the ones who stop waiting for things to go back to normal and start adapting. Right here, right now. But here's the truth most people miss. These challenges aren't breaking you, they're forging you. The American dream in 2026 isn't about luck anymore. It's not about waiting for the economy to fix itself. It's not about hoping the government or your boss changes the game. It's about strategic resilience and relentless adaptation. Every obstacle you're facing right now, it's not a wall, it's raw material. Inflation teaches you resourcefulness. Job loss forces you to build new skills. Feeling stuck lights the fire to rewrite your story. The winners in 2026 aren't the ones who had it easy. They're the ones who looked at the chaos and said, "This is my forge. I'm getting stronger here." Your mindset isn't fixed, it's a muscle. And right now, it's time to train it harder than ever. The old dream died with the old rules. The new one? It's being built by people just like you, starting today. Now let me show you what this mindset shift looks like in real life. Story 1. Meet Maria, a 35-year-old single mom from Texas. In 2024, she lost her retail job to automation. Bills piled up. She was down to her last $200, wondering how to feed her kids. Rock bottom. But instead of giving up, Maria decided, if the world changed, I change with it. She started watching free YouTube tutorials on AI tools at night after the kids slept. She learned prompt engineering, built simple chatbots for small businesses. By mid-2025, she had her first client. By 2026, she's running a side hustle that brings in $8,000 a month, more than her old full-time job ever did. Maria didn't wait for rescue. She built her own ladder. Story 2. James, 38, corporate sales guy in Chicago. laid off in early 2025 when his company downsized 40%. He felt worthless. Resumes went nowhere. Depression hit hard. Then he remembered, pain is temporary. Quitting is forever. James started posting daily videos on LinkedIn and TikTok about sales tips he learned over 15 years. At first, crickets, but he kept showing up, consistent, raw, helpful. 6 months later, brands reached out for sponsorships. Now in 2026, James earns 6 figures from content plus consulting. He turned rejection into a platform. Story 3. Alex, 32-year-old from Atlanta, Gen Z, buried in $80,000 student debt, mental health struggles, no clear path. He was scrolling endlessly, comparing himself to everyone else. One day he said, "Enough, I'm taking control." He committed to 5 a.m. wake-ups, read 1 book a month, learned digital marketing on free courses, started a small freelance service helping local businesses with social media. Small wins stacked, first $500 gig, then $2,000, then repeat clients. Today, in 2026, debt cut in half, full-time freelancer, and he's mentoring others. Alex proved age and background don't define you. Discipline does. These aren't superheroes. They're everyday Americans who stopped waiting and started winning. Their stories aren't over, and neither is yours. All right, enough stories. Let's get you moving. Here's your simple, no BS 4-step comeback plan for 2026. Call it the 2026 Comeback Code. Follow it daily, no excuses. Step 1. Audit your current reality. Brutal honesty. Grab a notebook. Write down your exact income, expenses, skills, debts, time wasters. No sugarcoating. Face the numbers. This is your starting line. Step 2. Pick one high-leverage skill, not 10, 1. In 2026, winners master AI tools, digital marketing, sales, content creation, or high-demand trades. Choose what matches your strengths and pays fast. Commit 1 to 2 hours a day, no distractions. Step 3. Build unbreakable daily habits. Wake at 5 a.m. No phone for first hour. Move your body. Read or learn for 30 minutes. Track every win in a journal. Consistency beats motivation every time. Step 4. Stack small wins into massive momentum. Celebrate $100 gigs, first client, first debt payment. Compound them. Momentum turns into freedom. Do this for 90 days straight. You'll be unrecognizable. This isn't theory. It's what Maria, James, and Alex did. Now it's your turn. The American dream isn't handed to you. It's taken by those who refuse to quit. Right now, in 2026, the dream is still alive. It's waiting for you to claim it. Your story isn't over. This is your chapter. Rise up, grind harder, adapt faster, win bigger. If you're ready to rise above the challenges, smash that like button right now. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next mindset upgrade. Comment below, what's one challenge you're facing right now? I'll read every single one. Go claim yours right now.